New 2021 RR310 from TVS. What you need to know is that bike is not stock. It is part of their build to order program, something that they've just introduced, where you have the option of ordering a number of customizations to your motorcycles straight from the factory. Some of the advantages to that obviously is that when you replace a piece with an upgraded piece, you don't get charged for the piece itself. And the other part that is interesting for me is that a lot of stuff that I'm going to talk about is backwards compatible, which means if you already own an RR310, you should be able to get them off TVS's catalog and add it back to your bike. Obviously in that event it will be slightly more expensive. So the first customization you can look at are the red wheels. You can now add that. TVS has a web configurator as well as an augmented reality app which you can use to set up the order. These are race graphics which are also part of the package. You can add these back to your motorcycle. But the biggest deal is there are two packages called the race kit and the dynamic kit. The race kit has these foot pegs which are set about 30 mm higher and they're a little bit further back. They have these, that's Karthikeya Singh is not part of the race kit. This is the clip-on. It has been angled backwards like this and it's at the same height but it's angled backwards and a little bit lower, and in that sense it's a little bit more like a race thing. Then on the dynamic kit you get suspension. This is a Kayama unit. It is fully adjustable, which means you have preload compression and rebound damping, and at the bottom you have a new rear shock which has rebound and preload. We played with these settings today at the racetrack. That story will come out soon. We can't reveal what happened once we started playing with them, but essentially for 12,000 rupees you can get adjustable suspension on a brand new RR310, which I think is very nice pricing. And for about 4,500 bucks you can get the clip-on and the rear set over there, which I also think is a fair deal. And the idea is you will place the order, TVS will build this motorcycle for you and ship it out to you. And today they told us that they'll ship it out in 30 to 60 months, and they will be able to build up to 150 bikes for the first 2 months, and after that the new numbers will come out. That aside though, this is the same motorcycle as before. So in terms of design, in terms of the engine, the power, the ride-by-wire, all of that has not changed. There are some new features, so this exhaust has been swept up further to create more ground clearance. When you add the race kit foot pegs, then you get about 4.5 degrees more of ground clearance in corners, which I think is incredible. I'm super happy to see these. These are the Road 5s. I think they're incredible tires, and I'm super happy to note that these are still on that. Part of the kit is this chain, which is golden color, glass coated, has some anti-rust in stock, but you know that gold chains add 3 bhp to everything, right? So as you can see, familiar cockpit, no major changes on that side. And this is Karthikeya Singh, who's not part of a dynamic kit at all. And just stay tuned. I'm going to come back to you with an exhaust note because they do have some amount of sound tuning done on this exhaust. I'm not able to start it because there's a lot of people here, so just give us a moment for that. So that's the story of the RR310. It's about 5,000 rupees more expensive than before. That's not including all of the optional bits. If you add the optional bits, about 12,000 rupees for the dynamic kit. It's about 4,000 rupees for the race kit. There's extra money that you pay for the red alloys, you pay extra for the graphics and stuff. Thank you so much.